Yo! What's up, everybody? Your boy Kaede here. Now here's what's going on. I haven't done anything like this for a while, so I'm just doing this to keep you guys up to date, right? So quick update. You can check out my new channel. If you haven't seen the video yet, I have a new channel which is going to be dedicated to updates, vlogs, skits, if I ever get into that sort of thing. That's going to be traffic towards that area. And then we're going to have the music videos, my originals and covers and whatnot on the page that you're already familiar with, right? So, couple new things. Your boy is basically, I consider myself a man now. Just celebrated my 26th birthday on the 1st of August, approximately about a week ago. So, happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to her. What the fuck was that? Anyway, happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Yeah. And I don't know where to go with that. Well, else with that. But anyway, 26. Couple of things have happened this year. Like I said, I consider myself a man. Your boy moved out. Yeah, your boy moved out. Living on his own now. Turning his own key. I don't turn up. I turn my key, nigga. Yeah, you know. But so that's the long and short. The biggest thing of my life so far. And it's, I guess, on slightly up there next to moving away to Singapore to go and live for a year. I'm actually living in my home country, in my own place, with my own car, doing my own thing. You all need to understand that a kid who grew up, I'm a kid that didn't grow up with much, you know, so I'm very blessed and happy to get to where I'm at right now, you know, so I'm very happy about that. Second thing, I got a 9 to 5, it sucks, but I get to work with kids, so that means I get to influence them as best as I can. I'm no teacher. I kind of am a teacher, clerical officer / assistant or whatever. So I help kids out with that, and it's fun at times, it's challenging at times, but that's cool. But I'm really working towards being an artist and doing my thing so that I can show them, yo, this is what you can do other than the academics. Get your education, make sure you have that solidified and everything, but if you really have a musical talent or any other talent, go for it. Anything else to say? Basically, it's please go and check out the 2 new covers that I put up, which is the one that I did featuring the members, two members of my band, Sario Millard and San Millard brothers, from my band Tenzin, doing a cover of When I Was Your Man by Bruno Mars. That live one, you need to check that out. I'll put that the link to that in the description box below. There's that, and also, well, Justin Timberlake came out with a new album, and I love that song Mirrors, so I did a cover of that. That is basically just a music video stylized with just some pictures and stuff, but it's mainly the vocals and the track you want to hear, and it's my first attempt this year at trying to record, mix, and edit my own musical attempts. So, you know, cut me some slack. I'm getting a little better. I'm learning and stuff like that. So those are 2 new, fairly new music videos and covers / covers that you can check out. They're doing so. It's been about a week or 2 now, and they've probably crossed around 300 views or something like that. So please go like, subscribe, share on the YouTube channel with my music videos, and subscribe here on my channel and also on my YouTube page. And I also have 2 more ideas as suggested by Ruth Husbands Carrera, one of my I would say one of my fans, and also who is just like a mom to me. So this one especially for her, and that's gonna be up soon. And there's another one I always want to try because I just heard it. And also I'm doing some, I have at least I have a feature on one song. You may have seen the picture up on my Facebook page, that a song called Burning Up that I did with Ace and Criminal. Big up to Ace and Criminal from Three Sons. And then I also have a feature on one of another song with Crim, featuring him, starring himself, featuring myself in vocals, background vocals. And also there is other things in the works. So hopefully you'll hear some more higher profile things. My song Vibrator is also in schedule to be re-released. I'm in talks to doing a video for that. So hopefully we could do that as well. Well, that's about it. I'm trying to put some more videos on the we're gonna call it the vlog channel. I'm gonna try and put up daily stuff, not exactly daily stuff, because my life not really that exciting right now. I mean, hopefully with your support and my talent and hard work, you know, y'all could be able to see me do some real nice stuff, meet good people, and you know, and even have, if I ever get to the stage, have meetups and meet the people that have been, you know, helping me or literally carrying me towards my dream, which are you guys. That's it. Basically, look out for more vlogs, look out for more music videos, and 2K13 is going to be, it has been a pretty interesting year. Oh, by the way, Tenzin has a show, my band Tenzin has a performance at a showcase, which is the AMCOM showcase and conference for musicians and people in the musical business. We'll be performing at Fiesta Plaza this Thursday, the 15th of August, from about 7:30, 8 p.m. or somewhere around there, between 7 and till, because they have a whole showcase and a bunch of other artists that you can come and check out. But come specifically to see a boy. I'm going to be singing as a solo artist, and I'm also going to be singing with my band, so you get 2 doses of me, right? That's about it, right? So, and well, the two songs obviously is by Jason Derulo, and I'm gonna give you a quick show. It goes like, tonight, take me to the other side. Spurs fly like the 4th of July, and just take me to the other side. That's all. So tonight, take me to the other side. Spurs fly like the 4th of July. Well, so if you want to, you can go on YouTube, look up that song called The Other Side by Jason Derulo, so you get an idea of what I'm coming with. Other song is she's up all night to get some. We're up all night to get some. She's up all night to have fun. I'm up all night to get lucky. So look forward to that, right? Alright, take care.